Hello, students. How are you all? I hope in the last class, whatever we went through with the chapter Black Beauty, you all have understood it very well. We did 2 pages in the last class, and I explained it in the 2 pages what the darky, the small colt, did. How his mother used to leave him in the farm, what he used to do with the other colts, playing with them, galloping with them. Sometimes they used to bite each other, but once his mother taught him that he belongs to a very good family. His grandfather, his grandmother, his father, they all had a good reputation in their community, so he should not do all these things. And their farm master, whose name was Farmer Gray, he was a very good man and he used to look after them very well. And he always used to talk with the horses also sometimes. But there was a boy, a plow boy, whose name was Dick, and he used to tease the horses sometimes by throwing stones and twigs at them. So once he was caught by Farmer Gray and he asked him to leave the farm immediately and never to tease his horses again. So till there we went through with the chapter and also with the explanation. Now let's move on with the other 2 pages, reading and also the explanation. Page number 7. When Darky was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to look at him. He wished to have Darky as his horse. He examined Darky's eyes, his mouth, and his legs. When he has been well broken in, he will do very well. A few days later, Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farmer for a while for his training. This farm had a railway track running along one side. He's a good horse. I want him to get used to being in other places and around other animals. Darky grazed in the meadow along with the sheep and cows when suddenly, look out! Here comes a frightful creature. So once when Darky was 4 years old, a man called Squire Gordon came to look him. And he was amazed by the look of Darky and he wanted to take him. He examined his eyes, his mouth, his legs, everything. He watched it very well. And then he said that when he will be trained properly, he will do very good. He'll become a very efficient horse. So a few days later, Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm where he had to go through his training session with another farmer. Now in this farm, there had a railway track. A railway track was there nearby, and Farmer Gray wished Darky to become a good horse, and he wants Darky to mingle with other kinds of animals also because he was always around with horses. So he wanted him to be with other animals as well. Darky used to graze in the meadow, and there were sheep also, cows also, and he was okay with it. But suddenly, once a train moved by the railway track. When he saw the train, he got frightened and he just started to run, and he was saying that it's a very frightening creature. But sometime later, Darky got used to this creature. He realized that the train never entered the field or harmed anyone. There's nothing to be frightened of here. Then one day, Farmer Gray returned to take Darky back to his farm. Darky is not startled by the train anymore. He can take the carriage to the railway station. It will calm him in marketplaces and in crowds. Now all you need to do is to break him in. Back at his farm, Farmer Grey went on to break Darky to harness. Stand still while I put on this collar, saddle, and bridle. You will get used to it in a few days. Soon Darky learned how to carry a person on his back. Then he learned how to trot with a cart or a chaise attached to him. Now you must move exactly as the driver wishes. Remember to never get startled or to kick or knee. A few minutes later, Squire Garden took Darky to his estate. There he began his new life and made many new friends. So sometimes later, Darky got used to the trains and he never got frightened again. He understood the fact that the train never enters the farm and it never does any harmful thing to the animals around there. So finally one day Farmer Grey returned to take Darky back again. And when he saw Darky that he is not startled with the train sound, he doesn't get frightened anymore. He used to take the carriages to the marketplaces. Then the other farmer who gave Darky all this training, he said that now he is able to go around. He is well enough, he can go to anywhere. After that, Farmer Grey brought him back to his farm and he started to put all the saddle, the collar, the bridle which is used to ride a horse on his back, and he was talking to Darky and said that stay calm. I need to put all these things properly. Then he has to take Darky to the marketplaces. Slowly, steadily, Darky started to carry human beings on his back. Then he started to walk along with the carriages which he has to pull. And he knows and understood the way when the man is pulling his bridle to move around, to move left, to move right, all these ways. So he understood the techniques very well. And a few months later, Squire Garden, he came and took Darky along with him to his state, where he had lots of huge property. He was a very well established man. And then there he began his new journey of life and he made new friends. So that was the chapter of Black Beauty. I hope you all have understood it very well. Thank you and have a wonderful day.